As you can probably see in my background, Bradley and I have made it to Sorrento. Today is our only day where we're in Sorrento during the day, so we rushed to the beach right as we got to our Airbnb because I'm gonna show you. I did not want to miss out on this. It's absolutely incredible here. The sun is setting. It's still really warm. Bradley is ordering us some snacks and drinks, and then we're gonna probably get dinner a little bit later. We have not eaten a lot today because we flew from Rome this morning. The flights so far, they've just been taking their sweet time, so it was a little delayed, but it was fine. And then the drive from Naples to Sorrento, we flew in from from Naples. It was some traffic, so that took a little bit longer, but I was very determined to get to the beach. It is absolutely gorgeous out here, and I am ready to relax. The beach club closes at 7 o'clock at night. We will link the one we went to. There are so many, so gorgeous. They charge you about 20 euros per chair, and if you want an umbrella, they charge you extra $10. We got here later, so they gave us an umbrella for free. But we're gonna get some snacks and soak up this beach while we can. We got some limoncello spritz, and a funny story behind that is Bradley really wanted to order one in Rome, and I said we should wait until we're in Sorrento in the Amalfi Coast, because limoncello, let's have the full experience and wait. So he patiently waited, and we're gonna try the limoncello spritz now and get his opinion.
All right, so here we go right here. Refreshing. Doesn't even taste like alcohol, and it's great.
Looks like it was worth the wait. I'm gonna try mine as well. Whew, very lemony. Not sure if it's my favorite. Super strong. Not strong alcohol wise, but lemon flavor. But if you like limoncello, you'll probably like the limoncello spritz. So this being our first night in Sorrento and in the Amalfi Coast area, this is our first trek up insane hills. Let's go. We made it pretty far up, but we still have so much further to go. He's handling it better than I am. Pray for us. Day 2 in the Amalfi Coast. We got our start this morning. Weren't able to make this from our Airbnb because, to be honest, we were rushing, but we did get to eat a little bit breakfast. Our kitchen is so cute, and it's such a good view out the window. But now we're about to get ready for our boat tour. We're going to be hitting up Positano and Amalfi, and we're very excited for today. Woohoo! We've arrived to our first stop. We are in Amalfi. We have a few hours here, so we're gonna grab some food, walk around and sightsee. You can see it right behind us. It's really beautiful.
We arrived on Amalfi and decided to get some lunch. We got some drinks and we got a platter of prawns and cuttlefish, as well as a caprese salad.
In Positano, it is just as beautiful here as it is in the pictures. It's very crowded, but we are still gonna make our way and look around. We're probably gonna chill and get a drink because it is scorching hot. Honestly, I'm just here for the views, maybe a little bit of shopping, but yeah, we're here in Positano. I've always wanted to come here, so I'm very, 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 very happy. Yesterday we got back from the boat from Positano and Amalfi, and y'all, that ride was rough. Y'all saw the tiny little footage I showed you. The vomit bags were brought out. I didn't vomit. I just closed my eyes and prayed. But it was very choppy on the way back, and we have a lot more in store today.
They were surprisingly going on another boat, so pray for us. But we're visiting the beautiful island of Capri. arrived in Capri off the boat and didn't really know what we wanted to do, but we found a chairlift. And we took it all the way up the steepest mountain ever. It was like a roller coaster almost. And we got to the top. It was amazing views. You can almost see the whole island. Tonight's our last night in Sorrento. It's our last night in Italy. We had such an amazing time, and we're ready to head out and get our last dinner.
In Italia. Last night in Italia, we decided to do big with dinner, getting some dessert and also some after dinner. I don't think it's necessarily called wine. There's some after dinner drinks. We haven't done that since we've been here, so we thought, why not? It's our last night.